Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we brought for you quick unboxing and fast about this Havic company. This is socket 3 socket and 3 USB. Too bad it's not USB 3, it's USB 2, normal one. But I can charge earbuds, I can charge it for anything. But why I bought this? Because I need it for office. It looks beautiful for office, you got me? For my computer place and like this. It's not looks traditional socket, you got me? Here we have the socket. This is 2 meter, I guess, or 1.7, okay? I like this company because they're creating nice things, you know? I have a cooler fan, same company, Havic. It's nice, it's quite, not so quiet, but it's quite work with my iPad Pro nice. And this 3 USB, I can use them for fan, for cooling, for everything. And it looks nice quality, it looks nice shape, as you see. Let's connect it and see, it's gonna light this bottom or no. If it's will light, it's gonna give beautiful looking, you know. If it's lightening, I mean. If it's not lightening, I don't give a damn, you know. So let's connect it here. Oh, my sockets, they are full. There is no place for anything. Okay, let's put out this. Come on. Ah, finally. Yeah, it's lighting. Well, when I turn off, they're still lightening. When I turn on, they're also still lightening. Off, on, it doesn't matter. They are still lightening. Okay, no matter. Let's try USB. Okay, looks nice, looks nice, looks nice. This is 3.1 ampere, which is mainly enough to charge even your phone, earbuds, fan, cooler fan. I can connect it to her directly. So I guess it's nice. Listen, you can find a lot of things in the market, you know, but just this is the too enough for me. I still need just 2 sockets more, and this USB I do need it, and it looks beautiful for office, you know. See, it's work with my office. So guys, this was the unboxing about this Havic. By the way, by Arabic and Libyan language, this word is too bad. So we will see you again on another video with Hatem for Objection, and don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. And if you don't like the video, also put thumbs up, I don't care. And we will see you again in another video with Hatem Objection. I wish you all peace and love and a lot of money. I know you all love money, huh? I know you all. So, peace.